students, today we are going to discuss electricity. Chapter electricity. So electricity means particularly we are going to discuss about the current. How current is formed? When charged particles move in respect of time in a conductor, then it forms current. Okay, look, AB is a conductor. This AB is a conductor. Through this conductor, charge Q is flowing. Charge Q is flowing along the conductor, but to across this distance it takes time t. Okay, so this Q means it is charge, so rate of flow of charge, that means when Q charge will reach B position from the A position, then it across some distances in respect of time. So when it across, then it produce some amount of current. That means the rate of flow of charge is called current. So current is denoted by letter I. Current is denoted by the letter I. So then we can say I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. Q for charge and T is time. But what is the SI unit of charge? The SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of charge is coulomb. So when 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a conductor in 1 second of time, when 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a particular conductor in 1 second of time, that is called ampere. That is called ampere. This ampere is a SI unit of current. What is the SI unit of current? The SI unit of current is ampere. Okay, SI unit of current is ampere. Then what is 1 ampere of current? 1 ampere of current means, what do you mean? You see, when 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a conductor in 1 second of time, then it is called 1 ampere of current. Understood? 1 ampere means we can say 1 coulomb per 1 second. That means when 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a conductor in 1 second of time, then it is called 1 ampere of current. Okay, understood? 1 ampere of current means what? When 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a conductor in 1 second of time, this is called 1 ampere of current. So next you come, SI unit of current is ampere, but how much current is flowing through a particular conductor. Then we should measure it. Then which instrument do we use to measure that amount of current? Then we can measure the amount of current with an instrument that is called ammeter. Okay, ammeter. Ammeter is a what? Ammeter. Ammeter is an instrument which is used to measure the current. Which is used to measure the amount of current flowing through a particular conductor. But this ammeter is connecting through the electric circuit in series connection. Understood? Ammeter is always connecting in series. Okay, series. But what is a series connection? Series connection means what? There is no any division of current. In series connection, there is no division of current. The electric appliances we can connect by two processes. One is series connection and other is parallel connection. Okay, later on we will discuss this one, but now I have said, because ammeter is to be connected in series connection in a electric circuit. Okay, in electric circuit, ammeter should be connected in series, not in parallel.